biggest success story to date are CAR T cells directed against CD19 positive tumors, leukemias, and lymphomas, based on the durable objective responses achieved to date in both pediatric as well as adult population. And looking beyond CD19, probably targets such as CD22 as well as other B-cell lineage targets are very compelling in lymphoma and leukemia as a next-generation approach. So in CAR T-cell therapy field, many researchers now are looking at the second as well as the third generation of this platform technology, looking at various iterations that are applicable to solid tumors. That's where pretty much our mindset is right now, how to break that ceiling and advance more potent T cells that are resistant to immune inhibiting mechanisms, as well as can infiltrate very effectively solid tumors and mediate durable objective responses. In order to do that, we have to understand how to utilize gene editing to ablate intracellular checkpoints and make T cells more resilient within the tumor environment, as well as try to understand and bring about strategies to allow us control of T cells, as well as modulation of their activity over longer term. In terms of how a small company or a medium-sized company can actually develop and bring about new platform technologies in this TCR as well as CAR T-cell field, collaboration is absolutely very important, especially between companies in the immunotherapy field and companies that are expert in cell manufacturing as well as gene editing, respectively, in order not only to bring about this technology to as many clinical centers as possible in phase 2 and phase 3 trials and then commercial setting, but to build in various features that will allow these particular T cells to be applicable to solid tumors, not only to leukemia and lymphoma. So identification of appropriate partners and collaborators, it is not a simple task. We and others are looking very carefully at what's missing, what are the gaps in our platform technologies, and truly identifying who is best out there based on 3 characteristics. Number 1, science and proficiency with the technology. Number 2, geographical location as well as coverage, Europe, North America, Pacific Rim, as well as other areas. And number 3, operational capability to deliver on time, as time is of essence and competition is very fierce in our field. Well, there are 3 important challenges ahead of us in terms of ensuring commercial success of CAR T cells and in general T cell therapies. The number 1 challenge obviously is the manufacturing process and making sure that we are able for each and every patient to deliver a good product that is biologically and clinically active. So that's number 1 challenge. Number 2 challenge is to create T cells that are very potent, that can break the barrier of solid tumors. Only when we achieve that particular task, we can say that actually we were able to bring the CAR T-cell therapy to a wide patient population in need. And number 3 challenge, of course, which is extremely important for everyone in this particular field, is to ensure that we can manage through toxicities, since CAR T-cells can be a very, very powerful therapeutic platform technology. And we only now start to understand how to actually control the activity of T cells to diminish on and off target toxicities and create a durable clinical response with just 1 treatment.